welcome to my Generative AI series. Have you ever wondered how Generative AI like ChatGPT actually works? How can a machine write a story, create an image, or even generate music? Let's break it down in simple terms. So, how Generative AI works? This is part 4 of my Generative AI Learning Series. Today, I will explain how Generative AI works using simple examples and analogies. So, let's start with foundation models. Think of a foundation model like a giant library of knowledge. It has read billions of books, articles, and websites because it has seen so much. It can answer questions, write stories, or even imagine new ideas. Unlike a small model built for one task, a foundation model is like a Swiss army knife, flexible and useful in many situations. So, what is the training process? To build this giant library brain, AI is trained on massive datasets. Imagine feeding the model with an endless buffet of information: text, images, code, audio. It does not memorize everything. Instead, it learns the patterns, like how words fit together or how an image is structured. This training needs supercomputers, like thousands of high powered ovens baking the AI cake until it's ready. So, next is traditional ML versus generative AI. Traditional machine learning is a security guard. You show it an email and it decides spam or not. Simple yes, no classification. Generative AI is like a writer. Instead of just labeling, it can actually create a whole new email for you. One answers questions, the other creates new possibilities. Let's understand with the GPT example how GPT creates text. Let's take GPT as an example. Imagine you are playing a guess the next word game with a friend. If I say the cat sat on the dash, what comes next? Most people would say mat. That's exactly what GPT does. It does not know the full sentence ahead of time. It guesses one word at a time based on all the text it has learned before. Word by word, like laying bricks to build a wall, it creates full sentences. So, why this matters? This is why generative AI is so powerful. Instead of just recognizing things, it can create new things: text, images, music, even code. That's what makes it revolutionary. So, conclusion to this video. So that's how generative AI works. Powered by foundation models, trained on massive datasets, generates content step by step. In the next part, we will see how this is applied in the real world. Thank you very much.